Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Kenmore CS2015 200 series corded stick vacuum, a powerful and versatile cleaning tool that features a detachable hand vac and a two-motor system for efficient suction. This vacuum is perfect for homeowners who want a reliable and easy-to-use cleaning solution for their carpets, bare floors, and couches, and it's especially great for those who struggle with pet hair and allergens. Let me break down the specs. The Kenmore CS2015 200 series corded stick vacuum has a powerful two-motor system with a suction power of 24 air watts, a 12-amp motor, and a 120-volt power supply. The vacuum features a 0.9-liter dust cup capacity, a 20-foot power cord, and a weight of 9.5 pounds. The handheld vac has a separate motor with 3.5 air watts of suction power, and it weighs 2.5 pounds. The vacuum also features a LED headlight with two LEDs, a 30-degree swivel steering, and a Hair Eliminator Nozzle with a 2-inch wide cleaning path. The vacuum has a 12-inch cleaning path, a 3-stage filtration system, and a washable pre-filter. The Kenmore CS2015 200 series corded stick vacuum also features a cord storage hook, a crevice tool, and an upholstery tool. The vacuum has a noise level of 85 decibels, and it's designed to work with a variety of floor types, including carpets, hardwood floors, and tile. The Kenmore CS2015 200 series corded stick vacuum is ETL certified, and it comes with a 2-year limited warranty. In real-world use, the Kenmore CS2015 200 series corded stick vacuum performs exceptionally well, with a strong suction power that can pick up dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease. The detachable hand vac is also very useful for cleaning stairs, upholstery, and tight spaces. The LED headlight is bright and helps to illuminate dark areas, making it easier to clean. The swivel steering makes it easy to maneuver the vacuum around furniture and other obstacles. The build quality of the vacuum is solid, and it feels sturdy in the hand. The audio quality of the vacuum is also good, with a relatively quiet operation that won't disturb you or your family. Real-world reviews praise the Kenmore CS2015 200 series corded stick vacuum for its powerful suction, lightweight design, and ease of use. Users love the detachable hand vac, which makes it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas, and the Hair Eliminator Nozzle, which is great for pet owners. However, some users report that the vacuum can be a bit heavy when using the handheld vac, and that the dust cup can be a bit small, requiring frequent emptying. The Kenmore CS2015 200 series corded stick vacuum is priced around $100, which is a great value considering its features and performance.